Yeah, I like this thing real well.
It's a nice bike.
Yeah, it is sweet. Sweet ride. The only one thing I don't like about it though, man.
What's that?
This headlight. It's just not near bright enough.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think we need to do something about that.
Yeah, we need to put an LED in there.
LED sounds fine. Hey! Welcome back to the handlebar garden. We got this 2013 Honda Fury here. And we're going to change this headlight out to a nice LED headlight and see if we can't get this fella on the road with a lot brighter service, more dependable, and we'll get this done. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, the first thing we need to do is cover anything that might be painted below it. Got an old quilt, the other side's good and fluffy. Cover that in case we drop any screws or whatnot, and that will protect that. We've got a 5mm Allen here, here, and here. We need to remove those, and that we can get rid of this visor, and these two here releases the inside housing. So we'll get that done right now. Oh, that was tight over here. I guess it's...
Yeah, you don't have a whole lot of room to move it.
No. We'll slide that in now. We got one more under here. It helps if you got somebody with you. Well, those are nice gloves, Mike.
I appreciate that. Just got them today.
Yeah, cool. Look like he's grippy too. Alright, now that everything's loose, we'll just ease out on this visor. I'd love for this to come off simple, and it does. And that the whole housing's loose. Pulls your headlight out. Since you got some grippy gloves, these here can be a bear. If you got good grippy gloves,
Comes right off.
comes right off. And what we've got to replace this with is a LED bulb, straight off Amazon, 20 bucks. A lot of people put those day makers on there, which they'd be cool too. I'm not exactly sure how much those cost, but there's some more modifications in here, another housing that you've got to have for that. This one here, the stock housing, will not work, so you have to buy another housing. I'm not sure the price on
Or do
those
some modifications to that one.
modifications.
Day makers, you're probably looking at in the neighborhood of $100.
Right.
Especially if you're going to a dealership to get it.
Right. So at that point, this rubber piece comes off. This is just like a car headlight, actually. It's got the little clip in here, and you just take that clip. This little clip comes right there. This side's in there. Pull that back.
Now this headlight, it's only going to fit one way.
Yep.
You can see how these 3 ears are made. And your LED, it's the same way.
Here's your LED. Here's your, I guess it's halogen maybe.
Yeah.
Halogen.
Plain old halogen.
Just a regular old bulb. That bulb there probably cost you $20 to go buy, so why not get a LED? You slide it right in there. Only go one way. Put your clip back in there. It's done. Now you'll notice, well, let's do that first. Slide your little booty on there. I about got ahead of myself. And plug it up. There we go. Get your buddy got a little bit. It's got a little. There we go. All right. Now on this, it's got a little hole right here. This little hole, there's a little tab that comes down. You slide, you push that up in there, and it should fall in place. And when it don't, you walk away. You don't ever force nothing. You just got to get that. It's just got to be just right. It'll go. I've done a few different headlights. It seems like every one of them are a little bit different. It's about time to walk away. God, let's move that stuff.
This could be the hardest part about the whole change. Just to get that to line.
Is that it?
Yep, once you find it, it just falls right into place.
Let's try to get that ring on there first. See if you can push down on that. Yep, we're in. It's not too bad of a little job. Now I'm looking forward to turning it on. I want to get Mike be looking right into it though. I think that'd be the best thing to do is have him staring at it. That way we can think we're all good and snug there. Take that back.
Yeah. Alright.
Are we ready?
Yeah, that's a
That's
lot brighter.
Much brighter. Much brighter. So that's how you install a LED headlight in a 2013 Honda Fury. Hope you like this video. Hope it helped you out some way. There we go. Hope it helped you out some way. Like it. Subscribe. Notification bell.
Be sure to leave us a comment on what you think about it
Yeah.
and more content you'd like to see.
Yep. Thank
Thanks
you
for
all.
watching.